Welcome back to my channel. I am PANCHAL and today we'll talk about Lamborghini Urus Perfomante. Lamborghini unveiled the Urus Perfomante, the latest super SUV powered by the same 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Produces 666 bhp but 16 bhp more than the outgoing Urus. The torque figure, however, has remained unchanged at 850 Nm. The Urus Perfomante is now lighter by 47 kg. With increased power, the super SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 306 km/h. The front bumper on the Urus Perfomante has also been redesigned with new air vents. It also has a new rear spoiler that Lamborghini says aids downforce by 38%. It is priced at roughly 2.7 crores and it is yet to be launched in India. I hope you liked my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. See you again. Thank you.